Kom Shibenta ban penklan ya keseng. Kawai ni keseng san pertai jong kene kejela, menta kala sedang ban penrung dekot iki samla jong kejela kamtam haba ke election MLA kala nangjan satang gomba shisnem shiteng. Kani keseng kadai ka kongres kaban penlong ya kejing penrung dekot iki samla ha ka shibnai kenti kebanwan. Ha ka arpau tarik menta ubnai risau hajar arpuwei. Keseng Kongres akan kejela Meghalaya kalapan bena ya kajing penrung dekot aka kenhuan Youth Congress kebenlang naduk kakat arterik unai wiang haduk kakat arterik uno opera mentaga senam hajar arpuwei. Ya kani lapan bena ada ginong elam jong keseng Kongres jong kene kejela rengkat kajing don lang ka National Secretary jong Indian Youth Congress kembali pej kejela Meghalaya ka Sarifa Rahman. Badu Presiden jong ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee uba Vincent H. Pala bat kiwe di kinong kitkam jong keseng. Ki samla ke bala bandrung dekot aka Youth Congress ke degi bahap pedeng kat pra bat live pesan senem kerta. Bat ki samla kila ban pendrung kerteng lengba ka mobile IYC app. Ka thong hi halor kene kejing pendrung dekot keseng Congress ki samla ha kene kejela. Kalong ban penklanya keseng bat kan long ru kejing penkrea iki election MLA kaban salong ha ka senem hajar arpulai.
I think if it is a normal election, we would have won all the seats. But by-election, I don't know because as on today, we are winning all the seats. But in by-election, sometimes every ministers, every leaders will be landed in a constancy. But as on today, I think we are winning all the seats. I'm quite confident. I was in Mauplang yesterday and in the evening and the morning I was in Maurangkaneng. Coordinating with these small group because of the COVID. We don't we don't like to go much a big rally and all. So I think people are with us. As of now, people are with us, and we have good candidates also. And unfortunately, from Maurangkaneng, some of the Congress has gone and contested. But by this time, the people realize that we don't mind. Congress is a Congress. Bachals is working. Over time, very hard in Maurangkaneng, and Ba Kennedy and other teams, we have split in Khasi and Gentian, Garo Hills, different heads, different team. For Garo Hills, Marthon Sangma, Dibora and all other leaders who will coordinate with the rest of the leaders. For Maurangkaneng, it is Kong Amperint and Penchingai who will be coordinating with the leaders, whereas for Mauplang, it is Charles Marangat and Kingfa MLA who are coordinating with the people. So I get feedback almost every day late night, and I also personally go to all the big house meeting or small house meeting. We are working overtime, and I think if you look at the ground, I think Congress works more than any other party. We struggle a lot in these times. So I am very sure, I am very confident. I think you know better than me that we will win all the 3 seats.
I request each and every corner of Meghalaya, I request each and every youth of Meghalaya to join us in this mass campaign of membership. Get enrolled in Youth Congress, raise your voice. If you want to lead the state, if you want to do something for your state, because I believe youth are the future of the country. So without youth, we cannot lead the country. So it's my request to each and every youth of this entire Meghalaya to join us, to be a member of Youth Congress and help join our hands to lead the state towards the future.